Hello students. Topic for today's class is addition with carry. Today we will learn how to do the addition that involves carrying. Here is our sum. The sum is given in a single line. We need to write down the sum in this way to solve it. We can write any of the two lines on the top position and it will not make any change in our answer. Thus both these sums are same and on solving them we will get the same answer. Now we will start solving our sum. The first step is to add 3 and 7. We will count 3 on our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then we will count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now add all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will write 0 at the required place and 1 will be carried over to the next part of the sum, that is to the tens place. So we will write 0 at the ones place and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. The next part of the sum involves adding 3 numbers, the carry 1, the 6 and the 5. Now start adding them. First we will count 1, then we will count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now start counting all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. As we know, 12 is not written as whole, but the 2 of 12 is written at the required place and 1 is carried over to the next part of the sum, that is to the hundreds place. Next step involves adding 1, 4 and 3. So count 1, then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is our answer, which is written at the required place. So in this way, addition with carry is done. Let's see another example. This sum involves the addition of 3 numbers. First, we will write it in the proper format as shown above. All ones digits should come in one column, followed by tens digit in another column, then hundreds digit and then thousands digit. The empty places may be left as it is or filled with 0. I have left the empty places as it is and I will start doing the sum. First we need to add 3, 5 and 4 together. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we will write the 2 of 12 at the ones place and the 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we will add 1, 6 and 3. We will count 1, then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now we will count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 0 of 10 will be written at the required place, that is tens place, and 1 will be carried over to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now we will add 1, 7 and 1. So first of all we will count 1, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one more, 1. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will be written at the required place. Now the next step involves only 1. So we will copy down 1 at the right place.